Right, a bit late. Not really. Well, I guess a bit late for starting the stream. Yeah, I guess Adam here. Welcome back to some more Kerbal Space Program. Last time we left off, we crashed. So, just a couple of quick things. First of all, quick contract status. Straight into the VAB. I think I also picked up a couple more contracts. Now let's have a look. Class gravimetric surveys of Kerbin. That's one I don't think we saw. Another rescue mission. Skiff and TT-70 radio. I believe that is size 3? No, it's size 2. Okay, let's just put on the size 2 thing. So, the engine on, and TT-70 radial decouple. There we go. And let's launch that. Okay. The engine test happened. Try just reversing to launch and then just staging, I guess. There we go. That's those two missions done. Now, what next? Guess actually, let's go to Spaceplane Hangar and load up some SSTO. What should I go with? I guess this one will work. Let's see. I will need an engineer. Good. I need to put a gravioli detector thingy in the science. Yeah. I need to put that onto the polar satellite to be able to do this one. And then I will also pick up Ron Barsh, whoever that is. And this will give me plenty of LTV to get there, and hopefully, I wonder, maybe do a desert launch. See how it goes at least. Because I think this is north-south launch site. Not too, doesn't seem like we're too far away from SES. One thing I haven't really considered. Ooh, yeah, okay. I only really thought about it at the very end there. The drop-off point isn't quite the same as the normal runway I'm used to. Try to keep that in mind. But yeah, hopefully this will give me an opportunity to what's the word? Make up for last time I tried to land this thing. And launching from this runway for, I think, the first time. Yeah, this works. This is a slight bit of a hill here. Maybe try taking off here. Yes, that works, it seems. Stop rotating and put up gears. Try to go a bit further up. There we go. Now we just need to wait a bit to get up. $100 meters a second, 2.5 kilometers. Fine. Clean this up just to be able to see how the thrust is doing. Going up quite fast, we're increasing our speed at a reasonable rate. And, you know, while we're here, let's just set that as a target. I can get just a tiny bit heading just a bit left. So we are twisting slightly off. If I go over to here, inclinations, yeah, 70 something degrees rather than rather than 90. Okay, nearly getting towards a kilometre a second. It's 10 kilometres up, that seems fine. I am happy with that speed. I was starting to see the frost drop off again. Might be about as fast as we get. And yeah, I'm fine with also pushing up the being a bit more aggressive rates. Get more climbing. That. I think that, yeah, that closes off the intake. Fine. I can comfortably use up all my oxidizer really. On caps lock to get into the fine tune mode. Go just a bit more up. About 25 degrees up. Almost finished, but we are getting up to nearly 60 kilometer apparatus. It should be. Now let's just decrease the amount of drag we get. We're only on the nuclear engine now. Aiming for about 100 kilometers. And caps lock off. Now that this is less of an issue. Try to pull our heading up a bit. Up a bit more. Just to give a bit more time. Definitely want to get out of the atmosphere and not be stuck in it. We have a bit of oxidizer remaining. I totally have a probe in here or something, don't I? I do. burst more. Might be that I don't actually have enough delta V to get to orbit in this trajectory. As in when going north-south direction as opposed to west to east. Yeah. Orbital velocity is still increasing. We are going down quite rapidly now. Perhaps this is decreasing. Perhaps this is increasing, but I don't think it's increasing fast enough. Let's get re-entry effects. Okay, well, in that case, do I use the time to land it and then restart the mission, or do I just revert? I think I might just save the time and revert. Okay. This time, hopefully. I know I can take off and get into orbit this way, but when we go using this runway, we are actually getting benefits from being from Kerbals velocity, and also traveling with the wind, I believe. I don't actually know how airspeed really works in this game, to be honest. I assume it's equivalent to ground speed, or like based off of ground speed. Don't forget to retract the landing gear. Pull up. Aim for about 10 degrees. Anyone else having like, is all the sound appearing, or most of the sound coming in from the left ear rather than the right? Yeah, okay, good. I need to bring. Oh well. They can't mask too much, right? In any case, need to wait a bit. Again, part count 0, total mass 0. Interesting. Yeah, in any case, you need to wait again in order to get out of the atmosphere. Yeah, okay. Let me just okay. I'm not sure, because I know empty nodes cause extra drag, I believe. I don't know if the engine plate now still has extra drag or anything. Down a bit, get a bit more surface speed. Before we start getting too high up. Okay, yeah, so thrust is beginning to drop down. Still picking up plenty of surface velocity. 16 kilometers. Try to just keep it on surface prograde for now. Starting to die down a bit. Ability assist. And turn on again. And pitch up a bit. Until I start to pull the prograde marker up. I think. Surface velocity isn't increasing much, I don't like that. Aimed out. Those engines in. Okay, pushing apoapsis away, but going through most of the oxidizer. Very much want to get out of the lower atmosphere so that not having to deal as much with the just the nuclear in atmosphere, and also less air resistance while using minimal when we have less thrust. Okay. Let's bring it down again. Apoapsis is 66 kilometers up, and we've got 2 minutes to get there. This way I'll be I should be reducing drag. I'm going prograde relative to the surface. Once re-entry effects die out, yeah, I'll go back to orbital 1. So, for the most part, I just need to up to 17, then I should be fine. Fortunately, I believe oh yeah, this target ship is ahead of us, so we're going to have to wait, because I mean, it's at 90 kilometers, but I mean, difference between 70 and 90 isn't that large when you consider how large the radius of the planet is. So we can't get that much speed up, well, relative to the target, so we are going to have to go beyond and slow all the way down till it catches up to us. Let's add a maneuver at the current apoapsis. Let's see what it will take to circularize. not really caring about target at the moment. What I have noticed is that as soon as we get into out of atmosphere, rather, yeah, you know what, I'm fine with coasting. If this number tends to drop quite significantly once we're fully out. 60 kilonewtons. Save here, we've got the space music now, and see, immediately drop down to 3 minutes. Same amount of thrust, same specific impulse, I don't know. I guess maybe it doesn't know how much how much drag it's facing, how much to take that into account. I don't know. Well, let's physics warp a bit just to speed this up slightly. We are going down, but I think we're fine. Unless we hit atmosphere very shortly, then have this go say, oh yeah, you're gonna need another 10 minutes to go through your entire burn. Yeah. Hit atmosphere, I don't think it's that bad. Like, apoapsis is still going up, yeah. Very soon we should start going back up again. Whee! But periapsis. There we go, we're going up. Atmosphere again, I can increase my periapsis. Yeah, you are very limited in how much you can change your periapsis while you're at your periapsis. Fortunately, can't time warp in the atmosphere. There's a lot of control surface on this. I do like the design with the Mark II's sideways. Yeah, 2 meters. And just having wings for... How much longer now? Still waiting. Okay. How much total speed do I have? 3 kilometers, yay! And we'll be getting out. And out of atmosphere. Should be going prograde. Going now. Just to circularize for now. Okay. Now, let's... How much inclination difference do we have? 0. Okay, cool. My inclination 0. Nice. Very straightforward takeoff then. Okay, let's just go for like a minute long and 9 degrees ahead. I think we'll do fine for now. I add a maneuver here and just increase the number of orbits to see how much progress we make. It's a number of orbits ahead, but fine. So a minute long burn means about 30 seconds before and after. If I'd remembered to actually press the button. And let's physical swap this. Be close enough. So, go ahead and create a maneuver node up here. Orbit. Don't have it as a target anymore. That one. Back to maneuver node. Forwards. Any? Yeah, okay, I guess here. On this side of it, then decrease. I then put a even node in here. Yep, that close. Maneuver 1. Fine tune this a bit. There we go. Then time warp to it. It's very slowly getting further away. Gee, that one. We're very slowly catching up. Just quick save to speed this up. A 30-second burn, 15 seconds aside. Now put a even node apoapsis. Fine tune it a bit more. So, about 15 seconds aside. 15, and now. And physics warp. Okay. Now, I need to wait an orbit. Out of physics warp. Okay. Don't, it's just, okay, it's in the next orbit around. We'll get to this. So, see if I can get closer than 3.3 kilometers. Yep. Okay. A mix of anti-radial and retrograde. 0.4. Yeah, that'll work. Not a very long burn. Hello. And time warp. Just a 4-second long burn. Just time warp closer to the node. Okay. 0.5 kilometers, that will do. And just warp up to that point in the orbit. And there we go. My planet asteroids entering the sphere of influence. Oh, thank you. I am going to drink my tea. So if we going fast, 40 meters a second. I don't think that should be too long. one thing I want to do is myself a bit closer to the target. So take it off of retrograde and push the retrograde marker onto the target marker. Now I'm both slowing down and getting closer to the shipwreck. Okay. I'm down to about 7 meters a second. I'll wait and get a bit closer. A minute away. Okay, once I get to 2 meters, I'll try to cancel out. And then I'll just EVA across. Okay. Over, and we can EVA. What are you? You're a pilot. Okay. I don't think it's especially needed, but... oh well. No, I was on the right side the first time. Down. Oh, just missed. And now I'm on the wrong side. That one's full, right. Which means let go. Over to... nope. Over here. Come on. Come on. You're literally face planting into the door. Come on. There we go. Oh. Yeah. Unlock that. Engage motor. Couple. Over to this. The grabbing claw. Be nice if I had a target marker on it. Cool. Okay. Don't know why. I have staging lock, don't I? I do. Oh well. They wouldn't know. Where is the controller? I need to tell it reverse direction. I think. Yes. And that's the anti-target. We just control from here. Oh, nope. Cancel out velocity again. I have way too much power on this thing. There we go. 1 meter a second. Surely this will... Right. Come on. That's too fast. Bus limiter, bring that down. This time, right? Yeah, finally. Lost on the drop again now. What do I have webs to Sven? It's totally controlling from here, isn't it? There we go, that makes more sense. Let's just go ahead and deorbit this debris. Over desert. Fine. And let's just fix 12 up. Now, mostly waiting. Worst case scenario should be the shroud burning. I think we're more likely to hit the ground too hard, not have had enough time to deploy the chutes than burning up with just this. Of course, I could always disable SAS. Brake chutes deployed, not fully deployed, but mostly deployed. Partially deployed. Enough to have a significant effect on slowing down. I suppose I could have left him in the... Oh well. Maybe another time. Waiting. 4 meters a second. 4 times speed though. And 700 meters. 4.5 meters a second to be generous. Let's just go for the 400 by the time I finish calculating this. 22 seconds from now-ish. Real time. Not sure if I'm actually at full 4 times speed though. It's about flickering. A bit longer than that. There we go, recovered. Mm-hmm. 80% value, that's fine. Don't particularly care about the value of that. I just want it to not be in space anymore. So, space plane. Back to this. Alright, now we need this one as target. First we're going this way, so maneuver here. I need to be going anti-normal if I'm on this side. Retrograde. Fair bit of retrograde. Ooh. Not enough delta V for that. Orbits are annoying. Okay. Which I might be able to do. Put a maneuver node there. And just do rather than try to do the whole thing in one go. Try to do it in bursts. They 40-second long bursts. And as we do the change, it should change where the normal is. Then we shouldn't be changing our keep from marker around. Let's see how long I've been burning beyond it. Normal. So I might actually do go for minute long burns then. See if this works at all. So I shouldn't be changing the size of my orbit too much. Minute long burns means 30 seconds here. I'm not sure if this will work. Might have 3 kilometers delta V. Honestly, might be worthwhile to burn further out and then do the inclination change. What orbit is this? Yeah. I'm gonna do that instead. Yeah. I might need to do it on the other side. Let's maneuver node this time. Let's just use, let's say, 400 meters a second. That's right, at least. Then try to do the inclination change there. Make a maneuver node here. Get rid of that for now. And point towards the target marker. Minutes 30-ish. And then physics warp as much as I can. I might just need to and this and send something else up. Pity. Yeah, I'm effectively planning to use 800 meters a second delta V to push my orbit further away and then back to the circular one. Hopefully, I gain more than 800 meters a second, or effectively gain it from inclination change. Mm-hmm. Go down physics swap a bit? No. We've got 40 seconds left of that. Like, oh, getting close. For me, she's getting low, and it's like, look at the burn time remaining. Okay, fine. 10 more seconds. Close enough. Yeah. Which way do I need it to go? First of all, let's unset the target. It's going down. I will also need to go down. Okay. Be a lot cheaper. So I will have 400 meters. I should have 400 meters a second for maneuvers. Might be worthwhile to just do another. I'll keep it at this. Not sure how much more I would. 17-minute long burn. I'm going to do this in parts. So let's go for 8 minutes aside. 8 minutes first. Ah. Now, that is slightly problematic. Might not be able to do that. Let's just go straight to anti-normal for now. Fortunately. There was too much of a retrograde too early on. In fact, I think I will need to do this way. Chop the periapsis again so that I can do another orbit around. Yeah, maybe I should have just purely a normal burn. Time's over. I don't think I have enough Delta V. Very annoying. Now down to about 200 meters a second of maneuver. watch of periapsis and only let it get to about 80 kilometers. Okay, and then go to maneuver node, go next orbit. Time warp to it. Yep, not physics warp, time warp. Go purely for the normal. That's fine, maybe. Mm. 1 minute long burn then. And we're not impacting the periapsis as much. Okay, so it seems to faster in this map rather than in the actual map. So, get on this for a bit. If I get to a point where I only have, I go with 200 meters a second, maybe 300 meters a second. 400 meters a second actually, because that's what I'd need to be able to recircularize. If I get down to 400 meters a second and I don't have the inclination for it, I am just going to go for a landing. Pass the node by a fair bit. Let's just move it to the next orbit around. No. Again, physics warp, time warp. Not radial. It. Minutes before. I guess minute 30 then. 3-minute long burn. Check the orbital info, yeah, we're fine. Over time, the anti-normal direction is changing slightly. Freeze. Minute 30. There for now. Orbit. I mean, next orbit. And warp around to it. Four minutes, maybe. Do it. Save here. Time warp again. There we go. So the advantage of doing the burn in one go, maneuver marking, is you can just do it in one go and know how much delta V and everything it's going to take. The advantage of only doing anti-normal is it's more efficient. Notes here, so I'll add another maneuver here, and it's a lot closer, so should be able to do it with just the maneuver planner. Okay. Out of physics warp so we can time warp to it. 7-second burn. And 150 meters a second spare, possibly. Save. Five seconds aside. The reason it shouldn't matter too much, maneuver marker compared to just normal, is that you can see we're not really moving from the normal marker. Okay, now it velocities 400. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Go to about here. And then I'll do more than one orbit. So it should be about half of the ending burn. Now the good news is I don't really need to dock with the thing, I just need to get close. So I won't be wasting a whole bunch of fuel at least. 2-minute burn. Over a minute. And once again, I'll be physics warping to speed this up. Certainly hope I don't have to send a rescue mission up. Now then, here. Oh. Okay, I'm back. Let's this out. I increase the orbit once. Things from this side. That is pretty close. 180 meters though. Let's see how much I can adjust things from this side. And that. Not prograde. Going great. Okay. I am going to go ahead and change the thrust limiter on this. Reasonable amount of time. 5 seconds should be fine. So it's definitely looking possible. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Perfectly on 0.0. Okay. 100 meters a second. 6 minutes. Big yikes. Let's put well, I'll see how those things are getting. If I'm getting close, my bailout point is maybe 50 meters a second. Should at least get us into atmosphere. So first, a bit more close to the target. I think I might know why. I think it would take that long. 300 meters now. Minutes. towards a bit more. Okay. Now they're basically on top of each other. Anti-target and... Okay. Looks like I should be able to just some there. Orient slightly. Target. Fast. Let's try to get this close to him. Try to push retrograde onto the target marker. Not sure. Let's play around with node just this value. And this second target mark is one which is actually changing at a reasonable amount. Do I need to go anti-radial? Radial in, I mean. Okay, that should do. It's the target the first time around, but at least in the next orbit we should be able to get to it. $40 meters a second spare, I think. Which I hope will be enough to deplete. I shot past. Not a very big burn. Won't matter too much. Oh, right. Power. Use here to try to fix that issue. I did just quick save beforehand. Pat fingering the full power throttle button I'm very much willing to set for. Four, three, two. Okay. Hop over to the other side. I might not have okay. Road velocity to 40-ish. Not great. I might only just barely be able to get into the atmosphere with that. $40 meters a second. Okay, no, I should be able to. Should be fine then. I'll just very lightly nudge. Climb up a bit closer since we're not going that fast relative to it. Honestly, I don't think I even need to. Little bit goes out. Okay, yes. Head over to it. And this should save me just a tiny bit of delta V. Slow down. And production. What? Thing. Guy still has this parachute. Well, I still have 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 this parachute. Someone else has the gravioli detector. How does the satellite? Okay, now I should be able to do destruction. That's not the art you were just putting down. There we go. Go. Oh. Around here. Get us close to the space center. Maybe I actually aim for the desert launch site. That would be a north-south site. I've definitely gone past Space Center now. So, round again then. I think this is definitely my deorbit. I think I will basically be using up all of my liquid fuel. Fortunately. I would have liked to have a bit more control. I don't think it does great as a glider. But we'll see. Neither. Target, not orbit. I guess. I don't think I'm going to be orbiting in one go. How much is just deploy direction. Just deploy as much as possible to increase my drag as much as possible. Same direction. And I don't think I can deploy these. Oh, we'll see. When I get the opportunity, I'll increase. Oh. Um. That 80 something. And point upright. Let's see how this goes. Yep. It's the tiniest amount of liquid fuel. I'd like to maybe just have on the landing. Point. Get rid of all the physics swap. Start. I want to go slightly to the. I think I'm going to be able to. Oh. Have an S bend. I'm gonna that launch site. Try to do slow down faster and also those deploys. So, slow down faster so that we're more likely to be on land and also to have more land done. Down. Is changing our inclination? No? No. Interesting. I think that's the runway down there. Going past it. Towards water. I'm not too happy about that. In here. I don't think there is actually a yes, so I'll just use solar. I'll mass a bit. Use the mass as much as I could. Yeah, it's going to be a ocean landing. Not ideal. I don't think it was going to be possible to land at the desert runway. Oh well. Just given the period. Very least not for many orbits down the line. Deploy or coming in. That's it. Anyway. I changed my inclination by 5 degrees. I think I'm going to need to activate parachutes a bit late. So that there's less of an opportunity to be pulling forwards. Go nose first. Oh well. Kilometers. The temperature's going down, that's good. Once we get to maybe 5 kilometers, I'll try to pull out of this dive. Now, just wind breaks and everything. For that, I will turn try to fine tuning. And bring the air brakes back in. And dive down a bit. Air brakes off for now. 500 meters maybe. Because I want to be able to have contour velocity control, and only the air brakes back. shortly before landing. Same with the gears. And the gear lights on in advance. 5, so we don't just crash immediately. Yeah, air brakes will increase our stall speed. Downside, same with the gears. The more drag I have, or the higher the stall speed, and I want to hit mission as at low speed as possible. Okay, think about now. Up to impact as much as possible. There we go. I don't think I had anything destroyed there. Nicely done. So I say the cap fell off. Dockatron shielded docking port fell off. It didn't get destroyed, just fell off. Okay, let's recover that. And I'll recover the docking port too. But just very barely did I manage to actually complete both tasks that I had for that mission. So I'll just recover that, and then go to the satellite, attach the gravioli detector to, and then I can do the science. And I'll be preparing the Keostationary orbit. Okay. There. Next orbital round, I might get something. This one. And the gravioli detector, and more closer. Please. Yes, no. Ah. Okay, next orbit. Oh, completely miss. Orbit. Quick save before it gets close, and I don't need to worry about missing it. Next one. Getting to about 90 degrees. Off. Still a fair bit away. see where I get up to next orbit. How did... What? Quick save just in case I pass through the range. Oh, let's walk around to here then. So, just, yeah. Activate navigation for this last one. Oop. Maybe I guess in that range. Seems not. Buttons in OBS, isn't it? I'm warping around then. I hope I haven't just happened to have an orbit that's in sync rotation of the planet. There. Slightly. This way I'm not just spinning around all the time. This will be easier to keep track of. Going one orbit at a time. See when it's getting close to the orbital line. Ah, missed it. There was a thing. Anomaly. Question mark. Oh well. Chance. After this. Okay, back. I'm not sure if I entered and exited too quickly. Cabinet again. 3.5 seconds. warping time. In a waypoint there. Can't even be the island. Wow. Back to time warping. Certainly Anna to do the curve net thing for anomalies, but something to do while. Yeah. Not close enough. Sure. Sure, by the time I get back around to this orbit, gone past this. Yeah. Hello. Trying to line up my orbit with these observation points. Have a look next. Hello. Yeah, so I'm currently just trying to synchronize to get a reading at this point. While I'm waiting, looking to see if I can find any anomalies. Too far away. Okay, that's our closest point. Ow. Oh well. Next orbit. See if we hit something. I did get one anomaly, waypoint on one anomaly, but it turned out to be at the KSC, so yeah. nice on the moon. The moon's turning so slowly, you're basically guaranteed to hit it in or a handful of orbits. Basically within a quarter rotation you're basically guaranteed to... Well no, half rotation? No, it might be quarter. Far out. This one will be too far out too. Maybe. I think I'll go on past. Quick save to be sure though. Closest approach, I believe. And there it goes. Oh, getting a message saying that we're entering and leaving. Around another time. Maybe I can get this on. No, I won't get this on. Okay, I'll give it another orbit to hit something. If I still don't hit anything, I'll just geostationary satellite. Come back to this afterwards. To here. I do enjoy seeing all the other just flying around. I'm gonna miss this one again, it'll be too early. And I guess too late for this one. Entering. Next orbit around. Maybe I'll get this one. Best case scenario, I think. No. Ready. Okay, oh, I guess then I will just work on the generic rocket mission. We have a rocket. Enter in. The other thing I would like to do, make a an asteroid capture Okay. Oh, okay. My chat things. What was I thinking? Keostationary satellite, right. Hey. Oh, cool. And can generate power. Back to that in a bit. Now. Yep, so it isn't just geosynchronous, it is actually geostationary at 0° inclination. I will need a... I want to do this. So I can put structural. Okay, fine. Use some inside. Yeah, geostationary. Oh, click on this station. I think I'll leave that off. Oh. And come back with the animation. And I want reaction wheel. That should be enough. That'll encompass all of that. Yeah, docking port, in which case, maybe I do go for size 2. Don't use totally overkill, but next size up, structural size. Okay, now are required to put some things on this satellite. That includes a thermometer. Source survey scanner. Kind of odd for a Keostationary orbit, but okay. And a gravioli detector. Like do something like this, I can tell. Yes. Okay, and then I can remove it from symmetry. And I know that they're symmetrical. Now, resource survey scanner. I believe it's just on. I think the other one's a surface one, surface scanning module. Yeah. Having said, it kind of does look like the other antennas that will be going on this. Could move it further away. Structural. Have you? One tick around. Now, what's lighter? This or this? Same distance. Nice. Okay. There, I guess. Down Alt to duplicate. So about 3 of these structural tubes to get to about 0.1. Okay, yeah. Same. And it's a bit stronger. Don't think I need to really have more things on the inside. Cap it off. Right. Nice. And just what I guess. Oh, communication. 100G, yeah. 101 that I want. How do I want to do this? Suppose I could have a station keeping like RCS or something, or could have the external fuel tank stuff, but on the inside. then what's like the smallest ladder, I guess? Oh, kindling. Fine. Bind with Samuel. Same side. Have that. To everyone to expand, like ping. However, I still need to find out something to extend. In which case, maybe I don't need to have a fuel. Yeah, do I? I don't particularly want silver. I wonder. This with I still need to raise this up. Interstage nodes. Not like that though. That works. How far will this will probably be too far. Yeah. I could have something ending like I just have it deployed the whole time. Could work. Okay, so first things first, I think I want to east down. And I can bring one. Rotate them. Seems to work. Probably be enough power. Let's just go. Anything else I need in this? I wonder. Current game, let's just go with Urban. That case these further along. And yeah, okay. To have that extra space anyway. Long. Okay. Back over to the other side. Now then. Put something in here potentially. Flavor wise, it would make sense to have like user. Please. Piece. Just so I've got some variety in the angles so that I can have my all of Hamilton. That for now. Where is the center of mass? Can't not use. I'm going to test out if it has access to the fuel. Seems to show that it doesn't. Oh, did I actually remove tanks? I guess I did. Let's go back on the inside since I've got the space in there. Might as well use it to add in. to vacuum. 500 meters a second station keeping. Probably fine. I don't plan to get it into position using those. Number 513. Number 6. $800. I go with those engines. 40. Add some monopropellant one. It's 6 thrust to weight ratio. Head to 4. Burners fan. You have gimbling. Much 3 kilonewtons to 32. Yeah. Fine. Mm-hmm. Now, in terms of how I'm supposed to launch this, answer is this. Now payload. Okay. So remove this one from symmetry. Line this up with the center of mass. Much movement. Yeah. Okay, that seems to be lined up with the center of mass. Oh, oops. This is one. Center of mass. A bit more. Need to turn on the fine tuning. Back. Get. On. There we go. Build this fairing. So let's just put this around. Around like this. No. Now I need to do the whole movement thing again. Turn off the right. Happy to turn snapping back on. I'll remove this from symmetry. Where is it? Now build this one. Let's make sure the antenna is actually in. Slightly further. Yep. I'll make this root part up. So now I need to get this up into position. Now, could calculate exactly how much delta V I'd need to get to this apoapsis and periapsis. I don't think I'll do that. I think I'll just make something that has a bunch of delta V. What's the mass like at the moment? Less than 20 tons. How large is this? This is 3.5. So go by size. 3.75 roll. Quite that much. Go to Veep. Frost rather. Good fuel. Quite seem right. Mm-hmm. But also realizing I probably should have attached the probe cord directly onto the docking board. This segment. Oh well. What I can do, have a probe cord on the side. Right. Could do like send command call like that. Maybe with structural radio attachment point. Yeah. Sure, I'll have two, why not? Would help keep the center of mass in line. That gets me 4,000 squared of delta V. I totally said 12.5. 4.5 meters a second rather than kilometers a second. Oh well. Get back up to size 2. $330 compared to $320 compared to $380. 5K. In vacuum. Probably should be enough, honestly. 3.5K will be fine. 0.65 compared to, oh yeah. On this I will need some, an idea. Put some these on the outside. Short-time symmetry. Now, I'm planning on attaching this. Probably should have a action wheel section. And I will be putting some and some and have some drogue chutes. Come on, let me do a silly thing. The viewing spot. Yes, there we go. Centralize, there we go. Actually, this now that I want one of these be guaranteed. Need some oh, some now, How much? 50 tons? I think that should have applied here too. Yep, good. No. I wonder what is the smallest piece? A little bit large. Yeah, it's probably getting a bit too much. Can do that, and then range things slightly. Put this near the top. Then move from symmetry. I think anything else can go on top of that. Fine. Oops. From symmetry. Problem on independent throttle. Gonna change this. No. In different stages entirely. Slightly annoying. Oh well. Oh, maybe I can't get directly underneath it. Oh well. Now let's see. I will want some struts. Just the docking port connections tend to be a bit weak. Speaking of docking ports and connections. I reroute. Way. Move. Same issue. This is. I wanted to move just the casing and not. One tick. still seems fine. That still seems to be in line with center of mass. Cool. And what I was supposed to be doing up here. But we delete that for a moment. And then table will now save. Keep it from shaking too much within the what it's called, fairing. That might have to do. So I'll save that. Then I do believe I have a 50 kiloton. Yes. What's my 60 ton? I think I'm fine with that. Let's have a look at the cost. 186. $92. $50. Yeah. This would work. So, let's get this up into orbit, I guess. Once again, not using my checklist. I guess I might only be able to really get this up into orbit because of all the time spent trying to get the checkpoints, the test points. And fix my chat thing again. Oh, oh well. Let's fix all this staging. Yep. How long? Okay. And I need these to go 2. Yep. That's fine then. Seems fine. Yeah. That does not look fine. Let's control from... I guess. Oh, that. control from here. There we go. SAS on, thrust up at maximum. Camera. Get this out. And I guess launch. Okay, I seem to have the rocket glitch again, the sound glitch. And I seem to have forgotten to put lights on the thing, but oh well. Start gravity turn. Now the biggest cue for staging is gone. Okay. I also didn't put that on an action group. Leave it on prograde for a bit. Kilometer abscess. I'm fine with how things are going. 6 seconds left for staging. Seven seconds left before the next set of staging. Here I can thrust a bit. And over a bit more. If there wasn't any actual damage, doesn't really look like it. Yeah, let's just go straight for orbital. Prograde. Yeah, I've just... So normally I have the chat up on screen, just pinned on top of KSP, but currently that's not working, so I've just put it on my phone. And yeah, hi Drengi. Your stream go well. Not sure if you're still watching, but I saw you were in chat before. Yeah, this is an odd glitch with the sound, because very clearly the staging sounds are still working. And deploy some of deploy that too. That's looking weird. Yeah. OBS and CK3 didn't want to play nice together. Was that surely it isn't the CK updates causing an issue, right? How could it, right? But why would yes be causing issues? I don't know. Let's maneuver at apoapsis. Rise. Okay. I'll just go for a circularization for now. I'll probably go for the geostationary orbit next week. Extreme quality was fine until... Okay, so it was a OBS issue then, I guess? Or did OBS work perfectly fine when CK wasn't playing? Lack of vengeance sounds confusing. It's orienting. What I was going to say before I looked down at chat, might be able to calculate when to launch to insert into the geostationary orbit, but in any case, I can extend some solar panels and stuff. That one, rather. BS is fine with everything else? Yay. Interesting then. The orbit. Fine. Okay, so I will leave that in its current position for now then. Tracked it for now. Just for now, I will design an asteroid grabber thingy. I should probably use my science at some point. I'll get to that eventually. Okay, new one. Let's see now. Start off with probe core. Okay, for something like this. I think I'll have it further down. Now I guess I'll just put some batteries here. I will be wanting a couple of these. There. What do I even want this for? I guess I could put this on. It's on. I just want to have Raptor size. That's larger. I want something like this. Two. Guess I want size 2. Maybe if I go from size 2 down to something smaller. Down to 1.5. Might be the best. Oh. Okay, that would work. Just want a small tank, maybe even radial ones, and you'll see why in a bit. Let's actually go to robotics first. Four times. Okay. No limit on the angle. Coupling, yeah. But I want this to be the large one, maybe. Yeah, I guess if I'm going to be mining from it, I might as well just mine from the large. Like this. That's the central part. Means larger hinges. What I've learned testing, far away as I would have liked it for them to be. Now you can't use the grabbing arms to connect to planets, but you can attach multiple grabbing units, same asteroid. My plan was to basically touch one point and then have the other points just kind of solidify that connection and prevent us from twisting about it. What's the difference between the two of them? One. getting... There we go. Down a bit. Yep. I don't think they have... maybe they do have enough separation to justify it. Yeah, I'll go with that. Why not? Or maybe... the outside ones be... juniors. A bit further out. I'll need to move this back. Ignition warp. I'll go with the circular. Wall panels. Just to keep things close. Tanks, somewhat oddly enough. Radial. Thanks. I will want a smaller convertron. Panels. No, not solar panels. Opposite solar panels. Getting rid of heat. Control things. How much do they get? Max core heat transfer 150. The heat on this 95. Enough. Cooling then. Would have it like Sven. Oh, want to check. Actually, no. I need to add some more. So I am planning on having two different sets of engines for this grabber thing. One set for like for long distance, changing the like asteroid's orbit, and then another set for deorbiting it or getting it into an orbit. Yeah. Bring that ore up. Now I can do my test. Yeah, so this will be going in geostationary orbit, so it should always have the view to the strongest signal from Kerbal. And I'll put another couple these satellites up. That should help boost the range. Activate all of these. Start. In space is, I'm guessing why. Oh no, because it's not actually doing anything. Okay. Because everything's full. Right. So if I just temporarily make this fuel. Almost ready to test. I've tried testing it 3 times this time. Surely, right? Okay. And I think from what I saw, 2 should be able to handle it. Actually, I think I might have read previously that the core transfer rate of this isn't enough to actually remove all the heat. But this seems a bit excessive. That seems like it's not actually. Oh, and I'll need to actually have proper radiators for the drills anyway. Oh well. Get rid of those without needing to worry too much. And then just get some small ones. Let's get like that. That like actually maybe. Coming side on. Fine. It's coming in this angle. It also, yeah, should be fine. That's more likely to cause issues up there. Okay. Yep. Now. This roof part that's easy to grab. Now, let's refill visor and drain the ore. Now then, And size 2, so let's just start with that. Something like this, maybe? 2 engines, 2 engines. No, I want a bit more thrust out of this. That would give me Mark 3s, maybe? Hope with that. Engine plate, maybe? Size 4 engine plate, but nothing that would adapt to a size 4. Adapts to a size 3. One, maybe. Engines. 1 nuclear. I could maybe have nuclear mounted on the side. I think I'll need more fuel. Let's get back to size 3, I guess. 2,000, 4,000. Yeah, let's go with Mammoth engine. And then I can have. I want them to be decoupled. Just that with nuclear, I guess. Kilometers a second. Because I'm carrying all the oxidizer, it's more efficient actually with these engines anyway. But this. This is 6 more. This is 20, 340, 100. 55. Okay. compare that to equivalent amount. Okay. So this is 4K. Compared to 7K. But it might still be worthwhile to have this. Because that uses, if I have it like this, that's nearly 5.7 kilometers. Yep, I think I'll go with that. Or maybe a bit like this. We want just a adapter if that's the case. Start off with this, rotate it, back, enter, except I need it to be rotated still. Okay. Okay. Top. Size 1. A bit more Mark II fuel. Okay, it looks better. Ooh, actually. I mean, I think it will look better with the Type A. And I want to rotate things slightly. This middle section, I guess. Yep. Now everything's lined up. Starts with that. So let's actually go back to using the short adapter then. Means what? One of those. take the oxidized route. 5k. Okay, that gets... yeah. Now. That's all I needed. Might be. For the actual grabber part at least. Ooh. Oh wait, I need signal. That seems fine, just bring it down 2 times symmetry. Anything else? I think all I really need. That's all taken care of. Don't need any of those. Don't need robotics. I'll come back to this in a moment. I don't think I need payload either. Aerodynamics neither. Thermal, or any more thermal at least. Electricity, I think I'm fine on. I don't think I really need much more. Electricity, I think I'm fine on. Communication, I don't need science in this. More cargo. Like that, I guess, and just move it so it's actually thingy. That I think I'm fine. Maybe I will. Get rid of that. I was thinking of encompassing all of this with a Oh, actually, maybe no. Can't connect anything on top of this. Oh well. Do then. In which case, this does not need to have it staged. Go into action group stuff. One. Guess I can just have a PV toggle arming of these. 2. Radiators. Panels. 4 can be the deploy drill, I guess. 5. Start. Road harvester. Tracked everything. Then just for good measure, these. Oh. That's good. How much does this mass? 150 tons. I believe I have 150 ton to do not. Well, what I might be able to do is get this up into orbit and then refuel it. This can get up into orbit. But then again, this is mostly just fuel. How much tonnage is this? About 15 tons. Oh, in any case, that this time at the earliest. What I just want to finish off with today is checking any more contracts. Rescue someone else in low Kerbal orbit? Sure. Light over Kerbal. Sure. Surface air. Track Orphan Eve and deliver it to Gilly. Yes, I could pick that up. Brave on surface, I mean. That would be a nice amount of money, but I think I'm fine on that front for now. What did I want? I want this. Maybe it's worthwhile to get the larger fuel tanks. Get the cluster adapter tank. Don't think it's quite worth getting ion propulsion for that. That'll be for like outer solar system missions, which will take time, and so I don't feel like doing them quite yet. Maybe could work towards the experimental electronics, the RTGs. Don't have enough to pick up. Oh. Get heavy landing. Should give me the inflatable heat shield. That might be worthwhile. Okay, now I can't pick up anything else. So, with that, I'm just going to deorbit something. And that'll be all for the stream. Got a bit of debris. Very abscesses within the atmosphere. So I'm just going to burn this up. Let's do the time warp again. Come on. Aim. don't you crash on me again. Oh, it's a hitchhiker. Interesting. Anyway, time warp. I'm gonna crash us into the surface. And have state-based debris again. And physics warp. Let's be wanting to pull up the full information, but it doesn't let me. I wonder if there's any for getting into specific geostationary orbit. Keostationary. Perhaps more accurately for Kerbin. Oh, going ending. Perhaps this is in the atmosphere. Yay, we're going to be crashing at some point. That feels like we're going to be crashing. Nope. Not going to overheat, right? Surely. That would save me some time if it does. Overheat, overheat, overheat. Yay! And with that destruction, that's debris dealt with for today. There we go. Overheated. Cool. That, I'm done for today. So I hope you've all enjoyed. If you're watching this later on YouTube, feel free to leave a comment. Any suggestions, especially if those suggestions involve how to deal with, well, get into specific stationary orbit. Yeah, leave that in the comments. Until